Okay, part two. So this guy's just taking a pee. It's kind of funny. What's he doing there? Don't take a pee when there's all these tourists around, dude. Kind of checking everywhere. We're just gonna scope around and see. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna start out here. You can see this little guayin right here and kind of some cool artwork. This artwork is, I don't know who the artist is or if it's kind of a more generic design. But this is part of Macau. And we're gonna walk over towards Guayin, which is right there. So we're just gonna walk down some of this Portuguese tiled floor. You can see Guayin in the background. You can see this little boulevard right there. There's a couple casinos here, MGM, and this is MGM, I guess. Let's take a look and see what the water looks like. Kind of murky, a little dirty. And we're just gonna, there it is right there. And we're just gonna walk down, take a look at that. So the tree out there, and we're just gonna walk out a little bit. Big eye right there. And if you can see over this one, this was on fire not too long ago. It was what's that called, the Science Center, something like that. So it's basically more for kids, but we're gonna go to this one right here. Then you can see this bridge in the background right there, and it doesn't go to the Science Center, it goes over to the ferry terminal over this way. And then this is the bridge that actually is a new bridge. I think it goes to, it goes to Taipa. There's another one in the distance and it goes to Hong Kong though. And here's a couple others. There's 3 of them that go to Taipa. And this is a big statue of Guayin. Kind of Portuguese cool stuff. People can sit there and you can overlook this, but it's pretty bright on this side. So we're just gonna walk. I'll try to get on the shady side of the street. And over there is the Macao Tower. I haven't been here before, but I went inside, and it's like a little tourist place basically. A library's at the basement. But today I don't want to copy the same video, so I'll do something kind of a little bit different. So basically we'll just show what's around here. You got Macao Tower here. This is Taipa. Over there is the old university. There's a cemetery over there. Over that way is Zhuhai, way over there in the distance. It's mountains over there. And we'll just kind of go across this way. And then this really long bridge here that goes around. And then there's a Hong Kong one way in the distance. The Hong Kong one is, I don't think you can see it with a little camera like this. And there's the backside of Guayin right there. And Tyler. Okay, so here we are on this side of Guayin. And there's also like a more of the zoom camera, I think, in this space. You can see an airplane right over here too. So there's an airport not too far away. All right. Okay, part 2. So this guy's just taking a pee. It's kind of funny. What's he doing there? Don't take a pee when there's all these tourists around, dude. Kind of checking everywhere. We're just gonna scope around and see. Actually, this one you can zoom on and everything, so this one I can go closer in. I can actually even see, and way in the distance is the Hong Kong Bridge. Let's just see if I can find it. So slowly zoom into it. There it is, you can see it now. Let's zoom back out. This is Guayin right here. Zoom out at her too. And the sunset. I don't know where that guy went that was peeing over there, but he's gone now. Kind of funny. Anyways, we'll finish it there. That's probably him right there in the blue. He just went down there to take a pee. You never know who sees you doing what. But I didn't get to catch his face, so I'm sure I don't really want to catch him like that anyways. Okay. Okay, so here's a better view of Guayin right here. So we have this nice bridge, and I have the zoom camera, so this one's better when I'm walking around. This one I can just zoom in and I can see everything in here. You can even zoom in on these little trees in the water like that too. And of course the beach. And I can also catch the airplane that's going up right there too. Where'd it go? There's an airplane, I just can't see it. It's going to go over this one in a minute. There it is. Pretty good zoom when you can catch an airplane like that. Okay, so we're just going to show you a little bit of this little space, and then we're going to go somewhere else and walk around. And this is Guayin right there. Before I close out, I just want to see, there's somebody standing right there, which is fine, it's interesting, but then there's like a string right there. What's that string doing? What's that go to? Oh. Okay, anyways, that's kind of interesting too. Alright, there you go. Okay, final view right there. This is at nighttime, so it looks pretty nice. So yeah, the sun is going down and doesn't get any better than that. So it's a bridge, Taipa. We'll conclude right there. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.